Boring. Hello everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. I know it's been a little while. I should have checked what part this was.
6.
Part 6?
Yep.
It's been a while since we've had a part 6.
Yep.
We are doing part 6 to this Christmas walking penguin repair. In case you guys noticed, there's been a couple of videos on here since the last video. I've been learning how to put them on myself. One was of my singing beer mug, and one was the Valentine's Day singing toys at Walmart. And last video we glued 2 gears together. Which one was it?
It was.
Looks like it was that one.
It was either this one or this one.
Looks like it was that one.
Yeah, I think it was that one.
Yeah, because the new package of 200 gears
Yep.
did not have the one we were looking for.
No, it did not have one like this.
So we had to glue 2 of them together to make it that size.
Yep. Then we had to drill out the center.
Huh.
It didn't even have 2 separate gears that were perfect.
And I noticed this after the repair. That's from the gear. I found a whole bunch of these. They're from the gear.
That's from when I drilled the hole out.
I know.
That's why it's
from the
curly.
gear.
Yep, from the gear, from the drill.
Well, now we've got little plastic thingies here. Oh, I rolled it a little too much.
You fell.
How did I just do that? I was like holding it, I rolled it, and then it like started getting thinner and thinner, and then it just ploof. Oh yeah, I found this submarine girl.
Busted up.
Yeah, this thing has been in perfect condition for a very long time, and then I see it in one of my bins, and it is destroyed. Let's go explore the sea together. Blah! That was terrifying. And there's another piece that's off right here. Well, I was gonna say that one's been staying on pretty rough. Yeah, that one kind of snaps in. That one's like snapping in.
No way. Doesn't want to go in there.
But it was too tall. Let's see, so here's all the pieces, guys.
Is it too big?
I bet it's like too tall.
No, it's not too tall. I think it might be a little bit too big around. I really hope not. We had checked it. It doesn't want to fit right there. I wonder if...
Sounds like Daddy's got like a hip hop song stuck in his head.
This would fit down here.
this piece back on here? Aha! That little loop was for the head, not for the arm. I'm gonna do something funny. Hey, Barbie. Is Barbie watching this? She kind of looks like me. Just by saying the word Barbie, I got the Barbie song stuck in your head.
Yes, you did. I don't appreciate that.
I'm sure there's probably a lot of Barbie songs out there. I'm back. Worst thing ever. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
So that one kind of works.
Let's go on an adventure, Barbie. Yay. Mama Barbie.
Down.
In the Barbie world. It's fantastic. This looks like something Sid would make.
Sid, the sloth?
No, Sid from Toy Story.
The Toy Story Sid. The mean kid.
Looks like this would be something he would make.
Yeah.
A head on an arm.
Yeah. Won't slide down on the shaft.
I'm gonna show them
Done this.
my new toy.
There we go. There. And this one goes here. Okay, now let's try.
So we got this guy. His mouth moves, he wags his tail, and his back lights up.
Loving was easy if you come like my
Still attached in his box. From Goodwill for $4.79. And Sissy and Uncle John got me this for my birthday.
Yep.
I actually asked Easter Bunny for this for 1 year for Easter. Or I was going to, but then I found something else I wanted. Come, Camellia. Let come and go. Let come and go. I don't know any more words to this song.
Something is not fully snapped. There we go. Okay.
What is it?
You want to come test it?
Yeah. I push foot.
Oh, wait. Oh. Put these on first.
My mom gave me these today. She made them for Valentine's Day a while back. But she decided to give them to me. These.
Why do you get them? What if I wanted them?
Hey, she gave them to me.
Okay,
I bet she could make you some though.
okay. Push it.
I didn't see a move. Look, they aren't moving.
And they're moving. That don't make any sense.
That part is spinning, but they're not. I'm so confused.
The gear's not moving.
That's not good.
Nothing's moving. What in the... I don't know why it's not moving.
That was supposed to be, I don't know either. But it cannot.
This was supposed to be our last part of this.
There's a fat girl cardinal outside. Saw a chubby one out there earlier today. There's a girl cardinal.
Mm-hmm.
If this one can beat the gambler dog,
Better not.
yeah, if he can beat the gambler dog, I will be very surprised.
Is it not spinning up in here?
See, like the gambler dog had like 11, 12 parts. But the reason why is because it wouldn't have had as many parts, but the phone kept running out of space
Mm-hmm.
while we were still trying to do one video.
Mm-hmm.
So the intro of one of them, I said, "Hello everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station, and this is part 3 of part 5.
Mm-hmm.
Part 3 of part 5. So that's the one we glued together.
Yeah. Maybe it's not spinning in the top part.
Oh my god, there's a zombie. Ah! There's a zombie out there. I sure hope zombies don't exist. That sounds a little scary. And there's one thing we all know about birds.
What?
All
They
birds.
fly?
Not all birds.
Not all birds.
Birds are flying drones that come from the government.
Who told you that? Did you see that on one of your videos? I'm guessing someone on YouTube tell you that.
Uh-huh.
Remember what I told you about YouTube? Not always true. That one's long and that one's short. Why is that?
Well, there would only be one way to figure that one out for sure. Kill a bird.
Why would you do that? That would
Find
be
out if it's got guts in it or if it has motors inside.
Mm-hmm.
I think I might have found one problem. One of the gears they were popped out. Did you see that?
Yeah, I took it out. Work on it.
Jeez, video's already been 40 minutes long.
14?
40.
It has been 40 minutes.
Yes, it was 14. Almost 15.
No, they're not fitting. They were fit before.
What's my shirt say, guys? What's he say? I can't tell because it looks backwards.
Now, why are they not fitting? They fit. Just a minute ago they fit.
I'm gonna die,
Switch to
guys.
shaft.
Yeet! Right! Oh,
There.
mama, yama, yama.
That's
I like trying to talk backwards.
blue on there.
I like trying to sound like I'm talking backwards.
Right there, it's hitting some resistance.
If you guys reverse that part of the song where I'm singing backwards, you should at least get a tune of the hot dog dance.
You know how to do it backwards?
Well, I know the tune of it backwards.
You do?
I'm not sure if I'm getting words out. If only we knew how to reverse videos. I've always wanted to figure out how to do that.
I think they have. Well, I know they have ones that can do that, but not on the old cell phone rail. It's catching now. It's almost catching. Somebody's catching. Some pieces of wood in there, maybe. Fine.
My phone case is spinning all over the place.
That's what.
Thank God my phone wasn't in that. My phone is you guys right now. Yeah.
Oh yeah. A couple pieces on here.
Hello everybody, and today I'm going to spin my phone case. Guys, look at this. Thank God my phone wasn't in that.
Alright, maybe that was it. There are some pieces of the old gear in there. The one that broke.
Yeah.
video, bud. Did you forget? Much better.
To talk backwards. Well, if I'm singing backwards, obviously I've got to walk backwards.
All right. Push it again.
It doesn't look like it's spinning to me.
It's not. Why isn't it? The pulley's spinning.
I just saw it spin. Can you see it spin? It spin. Well, it spinned a little bit. I saw it. Geez, Courtney and Garrett gave us a hard one.
They sure did.
But will they give us the world record of the longest rappel ever?
The only thing I can think is maybe this. All of that should be working fine. Maybe this little gear. Ah. Look at that. This little gear. When this spins, the little gear underneath it doesn't necessarily spin.
It doesn't?
See how, yeah, this one's a little bit tighter. Not much tighter. Yeah, look at that. Comes right off.
Whoa. Probably why.
Yep. You know what that means?
Oh, it's been a long time since we've had part 7.
We're going to have to glue this on there.
I'm still going to be really surprised if we can ever find...
Yeah, it's not broken or nothing. It just...
I'll still be really surprised if we ever get one that beats the Gambler Dog.
How many parts did that one have?
Probably like 10, 12.
Wow.
That one had a lot. That one had a lot of parts. Mainly because part 5 had 3 parts. This is part 3 of part 5. Should just call it part 10.
That one comes off too. It's not too bad. the best way to glue that, you think? So I don't want to glue it to where it sticks to the plastic. But I don't want to get glue. I guess it doesn't matter if there's glue on the shaft.
So,
Why?
cause I am.
I was only planning on gluing your little swimmer back together today. Instead, we gotta glue these.
So it's gonna have a part 7.
Yes, it is.
I did not think this one would be so hard.
No, I didn't either. But it is.
Now I'm showing all my fingers, guys. I'm gonna bite my fingers off.
Why would you do that? That just seems silly.
Any of you guys lick your fingers all the time? Something I just randomly do sometimes.
Should I use these? That should be good.
Why is that plastic piece smoke? Why is that plastic piece? Why is that plastic? Why is that plastic piece smoking?
It's not smoking.
What's all that stuff going all over the place then?
It's kind of like
Blue string. I know.
yeah.
Ooh, I know what I want to do. I'm gonna put some of this super glue on my hand.
No, do not do that. That would be a very bad thing.
I'm gonna put my fingers and hands together.
Yabba dabba doo. Is that what you said?
What does yabba dabba doo mean?
I don't know. That's what Fred Flintstone says. Yabba dabba doo. Have you haven't even seen the Flintstones, I don't think. I might as well glue her back together. Since I'm gluing, we can include the little swimmer repair
But
on
her
it.
arms and head have to move
I know.
because they're supposed to move.
I know.
Well, first this piece is off too. It's just kind of snapped on there.
Oh, okay.
We gotta make sure we put them in the right spot. The video's at 1 hour.
No, it's not.
Maybe. Deck the halls with boughs of
I need
holly.
this thing for this.
Turns the slate.
Oh, okay.
Tis the season to be jolly.
You want her to still be able to move her arm. That'll be fun.
Fun is not the word you are looking for. It's Tigger time. Me pretending I'm the Tumble Time Tigger, but Tumble Time Eli.
I put it backwards.
Singing alley-oop too.
Yep.
It's Tumble Time.
There we go.
It's Tumble Time. Hello there, guys. 31
You wanna go
minutes.
get me a toothpick, bud?
31 minutes, almost
Please?
32. Yep. It's 31 minutes, almost 32. Yep. And get the toothpick right away. Yeah.
Come on.
Just found an itty bitty piece.
Yeah, who knows what that goes to.
This'll be fun. Ooh, this is gonna be a really long game. Ooh, this is gonna be a really long game. Now, people out there that we don't know that watch this, make sure to subscribe. All my family subscribed already.
Alright, this piece goes
To the head.
like that.
That little loop is what the head goes into.
Wondering if can I put her head in after that? Yeah, kinda.
If you don't put that last piece on first. And also, before the next piece, we'll also have to put her arm back on too.
I know.
This came with like a set of ocean stuff. It came with like a submarine, and it made like sounds. Came with her, an unbusted version of her. This is the same one, but now she's all busted up. I still don't know how that happened.
It looks like she got stepped on.
I didn't step on it though.
Well, you might not have, but somebody might have.
Why do you have that little teapot stuck in your head?
I don't know. No, I guess I did need to put the head in before I put that piece on.
I know why you're whistling on a little teapot.
You do?
Yep.
Why did you say it earlier?
No, that's the one I was doing earlier in the ba ba da ba doo ba ba.
That's what I just said. Why? Because you were doing it earlier? Oh, then your head fell out. Dang it.
Okay, this is now another video. You guys should never repeat.
Come on. Get your head back in there, lady.
But yeah, and Daddy said he thinks it came with like a little camera too.
Oh, and the arm fell out.
No!
Everything fell off. Can you grab the arm, please?
And the mini arm on the ground.
She is not
Make sure to like and
cooperating.
subscribe. Hey, there's your lady's arm back. But
So,
yeah, and
I can get this piece
they
in,
came
but
with,
once I
like,
put the head on it,
flippers.
it won't go.
like the little
There.
submarine ocean feet thingies that you could put on their feet. They came with like a little mini shark. I said shark. It didn't like move or anything. I believe it was rubber actually. It might have been like a really hard, soft plastic.
Hard, soft plastic?
I don't know. I believe it was like a tough
What was it, hard or soft?
I'm pretty sure it was rubber. And then that's where Sharky came from. That's where I got Sharky, guys. The shark puppet that I use for puppet shows. Or used to use for
They might not be able to hear you, bud. They're
But,
walking away.
but yeah, you push down his fin and his mouth shuts. That came with these guys. Maybe Sharky finally got this one.
Yeah, maybe he better.
Yeah, Sharky. I might have to talk to him. I don't know why he bit my submarine girl figure. I thought it was Animal that does like all the chompy. Even one of my older videos is called Animal Bites Bob.
Mm.
I remember Jordan told me he saw that one. He's also a YouTuber, guys. Pretty sure he's a gamer, actually. I'm pretty sure he does game videos.
Mm.
And he can do that same exact thing with like the game is the full entire screen,
Mm.
and then she's got some strings on her.
Yeah, we'll get those off once it dries.
Seems to be moving fine now.
Yeah. She's still got some cracks in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that piece is coming back up.
Uh-oh. Probably because we moved the arm.
Mm.
It wasn't dry yet. But yeah, and he can do the thing. I've always wondered this about like gamers or people that like do or play games,
Mhm.
where like basically the whole entire screen is the game, and then in the corner is a little square with the person playing it in there.
Mm.
I remember he showed me part of one of his videos, and I
You did?
saw it like that. I was like, how do people do that?
Mm-hmm.
Fortunately, I didn't get to finish that video though, because he said I might not be allowed to see that, because I think it was like a horror game.
Mm.
I think that's what he was playing.
Okay, we'll let her sit like that for now.
Cool.
I'll glue it up. I don't know where that goes.
Oh, that's that piece. I've been looking for that.
That's a tiny little piece, bud.
I've been looking for where that piece went though. Come a chameleon. They come and go. They come and go.
Let's see if we can get that to go in there.
And so this chameleon.
It's not the full piece that's missing, but it's part of it.
It's not.
Yep. See, there's a little bit still left going.
Oh, there it is.
There. All right. I guess that's it for today.
Bye, everybody.
We'll try to put it again, or try to put it back together again tomorrow.
Okay. Bye, everybody.